Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. A community nurse, a teacher, a confidant, a mother and great storyteller. Words friends and family use to describe a centenarian who they say has impacted their lives in more ways than one. Kian Morgan has more in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope.
I'm not giving you no roses when you're gone. I'm giving it to you now.
Tributes followed by hugs and kisses. All for Willelle May Baxter, or Aunt May, as she's affectionately called, from those whose lives she has impacted. It is why family and friends from near and far gathered in Belfield St. Mary to express their gratitude on her 100th birthday.
Sometimes when I'm sad, you make me laugh. So I love you so much, Grandma. I love your world without end. And as I always say, you're going to live to see many more.
A professional dressmaker from 1944, Aunt May is still mending the hearts of many through her craft.
I have this one white shorts. I don't know if you remember. And no matter how the shorts tear, she said, bring it come. Bring it. One time I look at Pierre so. And if she don't see me now, she asks me, wait there. Bring it come. I say, I don't know. He say, no done.
You make all of my uniform them from here baby till me in a grade 5. No matter how I come up here, every day when I go to school, every day I ask if I have lunch money. Even though I say, I look at bleach money I have, but I still have to give it.
And she is still very much active.
She go out every morning and sweep. She wash her own clothes. If I say, Mama, let me wash your clothes, she said, no, I will do it myself.
Though she mothered 5, one biologically, Aunt May is mama to many.
From in a belly, this lady grew me. Until me reach now 51. Me know say she's a nice person, powerful person. I know me still war.
When I have my kids, she's the one who take them and allow me to continue work.
Pamela Baxter was adopted by Aunt May after her mother died in child's birth. For Aunt May, her kindness was inherited.
My mother was very helpful. She wasn't a midwife. And yet still she deliver a woman who take into her baby.
It's something she promises to do until her last breath.
If anybody come to me and even ask me to borrow something, and as long as I have it, I can't tell them no.
Granddaughter Patrice Barnaby is encouraging others to be just as helpful.
Don't just look out for your own, look out for others as well. Because to be honest, if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be here.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.